Hi, good morning. Hi, Nicha. Good morning, Nicha. Good morning, Ka. Good morning. How are you, Nicha? How are you? You are the first one who came. Very good. Let us wait first, Nicha, for the others. Okay? Have you taken your breakfast, Nicha? You finished? You take your breakfast? Huh? You hear me, Nicha? You hear me? Okay. Have you taken your breakfast already? Yes. Okay. Hi, Ten. Good morning, Ten. How are you, Ten? Good morning. Good morning. How are you? How are you, Ten? Okay, can you say good morning to... Hello, Ka. Good morning, Teacher Noy. This is Teacher Noy. Good morning. How are you? How are you, Ten? Hi, Shane. Good morning, Shane. How are you, Shane? Hello. Shane. Hello, Shing, Shing, Shing. Hi. Say hi, good morning to Ten Shane. We have Nicha and Ten already, Shane. You say good morning to each other. Oh, Pat is coming. Okay, wait, let us wait first, okay? For a while, let us wait first for the others. Good morning, Pat. Pat is coming. So we have here Nicha, Ten, and Shane. Nicha, can you say good morning to Shane and Ten? Nicha, can you say good morning, Shane? Good morning, Shane. Good morning, Ten. Say, come on. Shane, don't be shy, Shane. Hello. Shane, don't be shy. We are your family. All of us here is family, right, Shane? Ten is your brother. Nicha is your sister. Okay? Okay. Shane, don't be shy, shing, shing, shing. Okay? Hello, Pat. Good morning, Pat. Good morning, Pat. How are you, Pat? Have you taken your breakfast already? Okay, have you print the worksheet that I tell you? The one that is filling the time. We are in our math time. We are in our math time. So can you? Yes, that one. That one. Very good, Nicha. Tell what time is it? That telling the time. That is that worksheet. Can you prepare it first before we start? Okay, prepare your math worksheet. You have your worksheet telling the time. Okay, because if you don't have your worksheet, if you cannot print it, if no, because we don't know.
For
Yes, if you cannot print.
We don't have yet.
Not yet. Okay, you can print it later, or if you don't have, if you cannot print it, some cannot print, you can just draw. If you cannot print, you can just draw, because we don't know if you can go out or no. Okay, just draw it. But if you can print it, have you print your worksheet then? Shane, you already have Shane, right? You already have your math worksheet, Shane, right?
Yes.
Yes, Ka. Okay. Then you already have you printed then? Your math worksheet? The one that is telling the time. Have you printed it then? When you have time, you print it, okay? And if you cannot print it, you can just draw it. Okay, let us start now. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? Yeah. And Shane, are you ready? Yeah. Boom. Are you ready? Yeah. Boom. Can you do it? Shane, can you do it? Are you ready? Yeah. Boom. Hep hep. Hooray. Hep hep. Hooray. Okay. Okay, again. Are you ready? Okay, can you answer me? Are you ready? Yeah. Shane, look at here. The path, look at here. Yeah, boom. Okay. Hep hep. Hooray. Hep hep. Do like that, Shane, I? Hooray. Okay. Very good. Okay, let us start now. Okay, I prepared this one for you. I hope you need to answer this one already because. Okay. Just a minute. Oh. Okay, just a minute. Okay, what time is it? This is our topic, okay? Okay, so you help me to tell the time, okay? The clock here will shows the time, and you have to help me. You have to answer what time is it, okay? Okay, let us start. Where is Pat? Okay, what time is it? Look at the clock. Okay, look at the clock. What time is it? It's 3. Is it 9? What time is it? 10? 9. Yes, it's 9 o'clock. This one you have to look at here. Okay. All the we have choices here. We have choices here, and you can. It will help you identify or tell the time. It will help you. Okay. So look at here. So let's go to the next. Okay. Look at this one. What time is it? It's look at here. We have here. Is it 10 past 10? It's 10 past 2. It's 10 to 2. What is the answer? Shane, Nicha, what is the time here? 10?
10 past 10.
Yes, it's 10 past 10. Okay, this is the time 10 past 10. You have to remember in this half, you already draw this one, right? We finished these activities. I let you draw this one, and I let you write and about the time here. Okay, so this is very familiar to you already. So this is very easy for you. So now let's continue. Okay, let's continue. What time is this one? What time is it now? This one. Open your audio when you want to answer.
Half past ย้อนดูนาฬิกาก่อนลูก Half past 9
Okay,
Uh-huh.
so this one is 9:30. This one is no, this one is not correct, right? The answer is it's 8:30. This one, okay? Okay, 8:30. You need to know, you need to look at the time, and you know already this area here is past, and this one here is 2. Okay, now let's go to the next. Okay, this one, what time is that? This time, Nicha, 10, Shane and Pat. What time is it? It's Open your Shane. What time is one, Shane? Can you tell me the time, Shane? This one.
It. Eleven.
Okay, look at here. Let us check this one. It's 22:11. It's 22:11. It's 20 past 10. So the answer here is this one. You are correct. Okay, answer. Then answer this one. It's 22:11. Okay. Look at the time, and you have to, because you are already, you will start using your watch already, right? So you need to know when somebody will ask you, you need to know already how to tell the time, how to, okay, how to answer when somebody will ask you what's the time now, and then you have to look at your watch and you can already tell the time. Okay, you know already how to tell the time. And how about this one? It's what time is it? This one. It's
~9.
yes, it's 9:15. So 9:15 is this one. It's 9:15. Okay. Okay. Now let's go to the next.
Past 9.
9:15.
อันนี้อะไร
Okay. Now what this one?
เห็น
What
ยาง
time
อยู่
is
ฝั่ง
it?
นี้
This
ก็ต้องเป็น
one.
2
This time. This one. What time is it?
it's 5
5.
it's 5 to 9
5 to 9.
Yes, it's 5
อีก
to
5 นาทีจะ 9 โมงเห็นไหม
It's 5 to 9. Very good. So the answer here is this one. It's 5 to 9. Okay? Okay, now let's go to okay. You are very good already telling the time. Now we will go to another. I prepare another slide for you. Okay, this one. You are very good already in telling the time. Now look at this one. This is another slide. Okay. Look at this. Okay. Day, routine, and time. Okay, now let's go to this one. Okay, let us pen here. And you have to tell me, you put a sentence in the picture, okay? I will put it like that. Okay, you can see it. Okay, I will spend this time and we will describe the picture. Have you seen the picture here? You have to tell me, you have to describe the picture. Put a sentence to the picture. And this one, this picture, look at the arrow. Have you seen the arrow and the picture? And the arrow goes to this picture. Can you describe this one? This picture? Okay, I will give you an example. Okay, he gets up at 7 o'clock. Look at it. Hi, good morning, Kapaw. Okay, this one is 7 o'clock, right? Okay, he gets up at 7 o'clock. Hello, Kapaw. Good morning. Kapaw, can you prepare your math worksheet, Kapaw? Good morning, Ka. Okay. You understand? Okay. This picture shows he gets up at 7 o'clock. And look at the time. Look at the picture and look at the time. Okay. Help me put sentence to the picture. Let us put sentence to the picture. Okay. Okay. How about let us go to the next. Let us spin again. Okay. This picture. Can you describe?
9 o'clock.
Huh?
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. And yes, very good. And look at the picture. Can we see the picture this one? Have you seen the arrow? Can you put sentence to the picture? I will show this one. He watched TV. Look at this one. He watched TV at 9 o'clock. Okay? He watched TV. Look at the picture. He is watching TV. He watches TV at 9 o'clock. Okay? Okay, so, okay, let's go to the next. Let's go to the next. Okay, let us pen again. Try to describe the picture, okay? And how about this one? Okay, look at the time first. And we can, after you look at the time, you can look at the picture here. So we can put a sentence together. Kemsai? Is it Kemsai?
แก้มใสเร็ว
Hi, Kemsai. Good morning, Kemsai.
Good morning แก้มใส
Kemsai, come here now. Okay, look at the picture here. Hi, Kemsai. Good morning.
Good morning
Morning. Okay, sit down now, Kemsai. Prepare your math worksheet, Kemsai. Your math worksheet. That's the one that is telling the time, okay? So click on this one. Can you describe now this picture? Okay, let us go to this. He takes a shower. Have you seen? He is taking a shower. He takes a shower at a 7:15. 7:15. This one, the time is telling 7:15. And if you combine it to the picture, look at the picture here in the arrow. He takes a shower. Yeah? Have you taken a shower? You take a shower, right? This one is shower. Okay. He takes a shower at a 7:15. Okay. You understand? Okay, let us go to the next picture. Okay, let us pen again. Okay. First, tell me the time. Okay. Can you tell me the time? Can you check the time first? And let us put the sentence, the time and the picture. Let us combine the time and the picture. Let us put the sentence to this one. Look at the time. You know the time already? The time is? Okay. Yes, very good, very good. Yes, very good. 7:45. Now let's go to the sentence. This one, look at the picture here. And he gets dressed at 7:45. Okay, he get dressed. Look at the picture. He get dressed, right? He get dressed at 7:45. Okay? Okay, now let's go to the next. You understand? You get familiar the time, okay? So you can. Okay, have you seen this one? The picture here? Look at the picture and look at the time. Can you put sentence? What time is this now? Can you tell me the time? Tell me the time first.
8 o'clock.
Yes, 8 o'clock. And let us check this one. They have breakfast. Okay, they have breakfast. Have you seen they are eating? Okay, they have breakfast at 8 o'clock. Okay, they have breakfast at 8 o'clock. Okay?
Breakfast at 8 o'clock.
Yes, they have. Yes, you have to read this one. They have breakfast at 8 o'clock. Okay, for this time, we will practice reading already, okay? We will practice reading. We'll start to practice, okay? Now, have you sent the picture? Have you sent? They are taking breakfast, and then when you put it in a sentence all together, they have breakfast at 8 o'clock. Okay, look at the picture and look at the time. Okay, let's go to the next. Okay, let's pen again. Look at this one. Okay, have you seen the picture? He is brushing his teeth. And look at the time. Look at the time. What time is it now? 8?
8.
Yes. So let us look at the sentence now. He brushes his teeth at 5 past 8. Yeah, very good, Shane. You have all of you have to look at the time. Okay, and also you have to look at the picture. Not okay, picture and time. So we can put a sentence all together. Okay, so can you read this one? 10, can you read this one, 10? All of you, just all of you open your mouth. He brushes his teeth at 5 past 8. Okay, look at his. He, all of you open your mouth. Can you open your mouth? All of you, can you repeat after me? He brushes his teeth at
5.
Yes, very good. Okay, you are very good. Now let's go to this one. This one. Okay, let's spend again. You know already how to answer your worksheet? Okay, let's look at the picture and look at the time, okay? Okay, I will give you now the sentence. Okay, he walks his dog at 8:30. This one? Okay, because we don't have enough time, I will just read this one. He walks. Okay, the time is? Look at the time. The time is? 8:30. And the picture, he walks his dog at 8:30. Yes, very good. Yes. You have to read. Help me read, okay? And now let's go to this one. Okay, and have you seen this picture? And the time? Look at the picture and look at the time. Let's put a sentence to this one, okay? Okay. He plays, look at the picture. He plays. Okay, he plays video games at 10 past 6. Okay, 10 past 6. Okay, the time here is 10 past 6. Okay, now let's go. Okay, this one, this picture. Have you seen this picture? Have you seen this picture at the time? Okay, you are very good already in telling the time. You can watch the time and you can tell the time very easily, okay? Very easy. So let's go to this sentence. He takes a nap at 1:45. This one is 1:45. 1:45. 4. Yes, 4:45. Okay. Now let's go a little bit more. Okay. Now look at this one. Okay. Look at this. What time is it now? It's 10. What time? Can you tell me the time? Okay, I will give you the sentence. He takes a bath at 10 to
10 to 9.
10 to 9. Yes, you are very good. 10 to 9. Okay. So, okay, now let's go more. We have a little bit. Okay. Okay, look at this picture. Look at this picture and look at the time. And let us go to the sentence. Look at the picture and the time. He goes to school at 5 to 9. Yes, very good. He goes to school at 5 to 9. Okay, look at this one. Look at this one. Look at the sentence, look at the picture, and look at the time.
5
Yes, 5 o'clock. Yes, very good. He does his homework at 5 o'clock. Have you seen? He's doing his homework, okay? He does his homework at 5 o'clock. Okay? Okay, so you know already how to watch your how to tell the time. You know already, right? I know you are very good already. I hope you can answer. I think we don't have enough time to finish this one. So I hope you understand. Watching. You finished already? You finished already, Shane? Have you answered already? Okay, so if you are finished, you are very good. So I hope you can know, all of you, you can know how to answer your worksheet already, okay? Okay, K2, so okay, this one is Ben, and check this one. He feeds his dog at 7:30. This is the sentence. You know, have you seen? He is feeding his dog. And the sentence says, he feeds his dog at 7:30. Yes, very good. Yes, very good, 10. Yes, this is the time, 7:30. Okay, so I think this is all for today, and I hope you understand and you print your worksheet and answer it, okay? If you cannot, yes, that is very good. If you cannot print, you can draw the worksheet. I sent it to your line, to our line group, okay? I sent it to our line group. If you cannot print, you can draw it. You can draw the worksheet, okay? So this is all for today. I want to say thank you to all of you, K2. I want to say thank you to Nietzsche, Shane, Kapau, Kensai, Pat, and Tintin. Thank you so much for attending our class today, okay? See you in our science at 10:30 to 11, okay? So bye-bye for now, people. Bye. Heart sign first. I want to see your heart sign first. I want to see your heart sign first. Okay, bye-bye. I love you, Kitu. Bye. Thank you. Thank you, Pat. Bye.